各位乘客，航機現正補充燃料，請留喺座位，無需扣上安全帶。機艙內請勿吸煙，所有電子儀器都必須關掉。多謝各位合作。Ladies and gentlemen, we are now refueling. Please remain seated and do not fasten your seatbelt. Smoking is strictly prohibited on the aircraft. All electronic devices must be switched off at this time. Thank you for your cooperation.
各位旅客，飞机正在补充燃油，请留在座位，无需扣上安全带。机舱内请勿吸烟，所有电子用品都必须关掉。谢谢您的配合。
各位乘客，請將手提行李妥善存放。保溫瓶或水樽請放置於手提行李內或耳袋內。請小心打開上方行李櫃，以免裡面嘅物件跌下。另外，如果閣下嘅電子用品過熱或受損，請立刻通知乘務員。請將所有手提電話設備定至飛行模式，而具報信號發射功能嘅電子儀器都必須關掉。任何時間，乘客唔可以使用鋰電池充電器為電子儀器充電，亦不能為電池供電嘅吸煙裝置充電。為免阻礙逃生路線，喺起飛、降落、異常或緊急情況下，請勿將電子用品連接飛機上嘅電源插座。多謝各位留意。Ladies and gentlemen, may we remind you to store your carry-on baggage properly. Thermal flask or bottled water should be placed inside the carry-on baggage or seat pocket. Please be careful when you open the overhead compartment and ensure that items already stowed do not fall out. If your personal electronic device becomes hot or damaged in any way, please inform our cabin crew immediately. Please switch your mobile phone to airplane mode now. Transmitting function of any electronic device must be completely switched off, and use of portable lithium-ion charger is forbidden at all times while on board the aircraft. The recharge of battery-powered smoking device is also prohibited. Plugging device and charging of PEDs with aircraft utility electrical power supply outlet will not be permitted during takeoff, landing, abnormal or emergency situation to prevent impeding emergency ingress. Thank you for your attention.
各位旅客，请将手提行李妥善放好，保温瓶或水瓶请放置于手提行李内或衣袋内。请小心打开上方行李架，以防物品滑落。另外，如果您电子用品过热或受损，请立刻通知乘务员。请将所有手提电话设定至飞行模式，具备信号发射功能的电子仪器都必须关闭。任何时间，旅客不可以使用充电宝或锂电池充电器为电子用品充电，也不能为电池供电的吸烟装置充电。为免阻碍逃生路线，在起飞、降落、异常或紧急情况下，请勿将电子用品连接飞机上的电源插座。谢谢您的留意。
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your captain. My name is Fong. With me today in the flight deck is Senior First Officer Daniel and the rest of crew members under the supervision of Senior Purser Winnie. Thank you for joining us on this flight bound for Hong Kong. We are still in the midst of cargo loading, some passenger boarding to expect to depart in the next 5 to 10 minutes time. And the weather for flight today is generally fair. Do expect some occasional light bumps throughout the journey due to the unstable wind condition. And you are advised to fasten the seat belts whenever you are seated. Flight time of 1 hour and 35 minutes. We do expect to arrive in Hong Kong on schedule. And prior to descent, I'll come back to you again to update you on the arrival time and weather in Hong Kong. Meantime, please do sit back, relax, enjoy the in-flight service. Thank you.
各位乘客，現在為你簡單複述剛才機長嘅廣播。機長 Captain Fin 歡迎閣下選乘本航班 HX283前往香港。今天的飛行時間是1小時35分鐘。今日沿途天氣可能會遇上氣流，為咗你嘅安全，機長建議各位坐座時將安全帶扣上，以防遇到突發嘅氣流。在抵達香港30分鐘前，機長會再次為你提供當地嘅最新天氣預報。多謝各位留意。
各位乘客晚安。简单复述机长的广播。机长欢迎阁下搭乘香港航空 HX283 航班前往香港。今天的飞行时间大概需要1个小时35分钟。航行中可能会有不稳定的气流，提醒您当安全带灯号亮起时，务必回到座位上坐好并系好安全带。再次感谢您选择搭乘香港航空的航班，我们将会在30分钟降落前30分鐘為您做更詳細的天氣預報。預祝您有個美好的旅程，謝謝。
請所有地勤人員現在離開機艙。Will all ground personnel please leave the aircraft now？請所有地勤人員現在離開機艙。Cabin crew please arm your door for departure and cross-check. Cabin crew please stand by for a safety demonstration. 各位乘客，歡迎乘搭香港航空公司嘅客機。香港航空一直以安全至上，敬請留意以下嘅安全示範。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Hong Kong Airlines. Safety is a priority. Please pay attention to the following safety presentation. 請將手提電話及電子用品保持於飛行模式，直至航機降落。無線電上網及藍牙功能外，機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果閣下嘅電子用品跌入座位而未能取出，請勿移動座椅並通知乘務員。Mobile phones and portable electronic devices must be kept in airplane mode until after landing. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi function can be used throughout the flight. Use of radios and transmitters are not allowed. Should your electronic device fall into the seat assembly and cannot be removed easily, do not adjust your seat or seat back. Please inform our cabin crew. 本客機為禁煙航班，根據香港法例，於飛機任何地方吸煙即屬違法，違例者會被罰款及監禁。電子煙亦嚴禁使用。This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited anywhere in the aircraft. Offenders are liable to conviction to a fine and imprisonment under Hong Kong law. The use of electric cigarette is also prohibited. 請將手提行李妥善放置行李格內或者前面嘅座椅下，並保持走廊及緊急出口暢通無阻。打開行李櫃時，請小心確保裡面嘅物件唔會跌下。All baggage must be stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. The aisle and exits must be clear of baggage and obstructions. Please be careful to ensure items placed in the overhead compartment do not fall out when the compartment is open. 安全帶係咁樣扣上，鬆緊可以咁樣調校。要解開安全帶，請將帶扣拉起。當扣上安全帶嘅燈號亮起，2歲以下嘅兒童必須使用兒童專用安全帶。為咗閣下嘅安全，在座時請將安全帶扣上，以防遇到突發嘅氣流。The seatbelt is fastened and adjusted like this. To release the seatbelt, lift the buckle. Children under 2 years old must use a supplementary loop belt when the seatbelt sign is on. You're required to fasten seatbelt while seated as there may be unexpected turbulence during the flight. 當有需要時，氧氣面罩會自動跌下，先拉低面罩蓋喺口鼻上，再調校繩索作正常呼吸。乘客應先照顧自己，然後照顧小童或其他人。If oxygen is required, mask will drop automatically. Pull the mask down and place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the strap and breathe normally. Attend to yourself before helping children or others. 救生衣置於座位下。Your life jacket is located under your seat. 喺水中疏散時，請將救生衣套喺頸上，然後扣緊腰帶。離開機艙時，用力拉下紅色手掣或用吹氣管充氣。救生衣上附有哨子同燈，以引起注意。機上亦設有兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。In a water evacuation, place the life jacket over your head. Buckle and adjust the strap firmly around your waist. When leaving the aircraft, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red toggle firmly down or blowing into the tubes. To attract attention, there is a whistle and a light. Infant life jacket or baby flotation cloths are also carried. 本機設有8個緊急出口，左右各方設有4個出口，每個緊急出口都設有逃生滑梯裝置。機艙內有緊急逃生路線照明系統。喺緊急情況下，照明系統會自動亮起。而家乘務員為你指示逃生出口嘅位置，所有出口都已經清楚標示。There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. There is an escape path lighting along the aisle. It will be illuminated in an emergency. Exits are marked and now being pointed out by our cabin crew. 喺緊急情況下或者聽見 brace 嘅時候，立刻做保護姿勢。In an emergency or when you hear brace, take up the brace position. 每個耳袋內有一張安全說明書，以供乘客參考。如果閣下對以上嘅安全示範有任何查詢，請聯絡乘務員。Please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Should you have any inquiry, please contact one of the cabin crew. 我哋即將起飛，請各位將手提行李摺枱妥為收好，將椅背拉直並扣好安全帶。We will soon be taking off. Please ensure that you have your hand baggage and tables are stowed, seat backs are upright, and your seatbelt is fastened. 多謝各位乘客嘅留意，緊祝閣下有一個愉快嘅旅程。Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight. Cabin crew, please carry out pre-takeoff checks. Thank you.
各位旅客，刚才所示范的是救生衣、氧气面罩、安全带的使用方法以及紧急出口的正确位置。请注意，当机舱有失压情况，阁下应先脱下口罩，再戴上氧气面罩。如有不明白的地方，请参阅椅袋内的安全说明卡。如需协助，请联络乘务员。本航机即将起飞，为了您的安全，请留在座位，将安全带扣好，并停止使用洗手间。谢谢您的留意。
各位乘客，剛才所示範嘅係救生衣、氧氣面罩、安全帶嘅使用方法同埋緊急出口嘅正確位置。請注意，當機艙有失壓情況，閣下應先除低口罩，再戴上氧氣面罩。如果需要協助，請聯絡乘務員。本航班即將起飛，為咗閣下嘅安全，請留喺座位，將安全帶緊扣，並停止使用洗手間。多謝各位留意。Ladies and gentlemen, the operation of life jacket, oxygen mask, seatbelts, and the nearest emergency exit has been shown in the demonstration. If you are wearing a face mask, remove it before putting on the oxygen mask during a decompression. Should you need any assistance, please contact one of the cabin crew. Our flight will be taking off soon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and refrain from using the lavatory at this time. Thank you for your attention.
，Cabin crew, please be seated for takeoff.
各位乘客，晚安。我係本航班嘅高級乘務長 Winnie， 謹代表機長 Captain Phil 及全體機組人員歡迎閣下以及金鵬俱樂部會員乘搭香港航空 HX283 以及長榮航空 BR2891 嘅代碼共享航班前往香港。今日我哋嘅飛行時間大概需要1小時35分鐘。為咗閣下嘅安全，在座時請將安全帶扣上，以防遇到突發嘅氣流。旅途中如果閣下需要任何協助，請向乘務員提出。多謝各位留意。Ladies and gentlemen, this is your senior purser Winnie. On behalf of Captain Finn and the entire crew, we would like to welcome you and our Vulture Wing Club members on board Hong Kong Airlines HX283, a joint service with EVA Airway BR2891 to Hong Kong. Flight time will be approximately 1 hour 35 minutes. For your safety, you are required to fasten seatbelt while seated as there may be unexpected turbulence during the flight. Should you need any assistance during the flight, please contact our cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.
各位旅客晚安，我是本航班的乘务员 Jessica， 仅代表机长 Fong 及全体机组人员欢迎阁下以及金鹏俱乐部会员搭乘香港航空 HX283 以及长荣航空 BR2891 代码共享航班前往香港。今天的飞行时间大约需要1个小时35分钟。为了您的安全，在座时务必将安全带系好，以防遇到突然的气流。旅途中如阁下需要任何协助，请向乘务员提出，谢谢您的留意。
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your captain. Trust you have a good rest and still enjoying this flight with us so far. We are now cruising at 40,000 feet above mean sea level. We'll commence descent shortly in another 4 minutes time. Weather for descent is good, cloudy at lower level, and over the airfield now in Hong Kong, slightly cloudy, light breeze. Temperature at 17 degrees Celsius. Now we expect to touch down at time 11:25 local time in Hong Kong, no time difference between Hong Kong and Taiwan. And we should be at the gate by time 11:40. That is 20 minutes to 12 midnight for disembarkation. And once again, on behalf of Hong Kong Airlines and the rest of the crew members, thank you for joining us and hope to see you again soon. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will close the duty-free zone shortly. If you wish to make any purchase, please contact our cabin crew. Should you need to use the lavatory before landing, please do this now as they will be shortly out of use in preparation for landing. Thank you for your attention. 各位乘客，複述剛才機長嘅廣播，我哋會喺當地時間嘅11:35抵達香港。香港與台北係沒有時間差別。現在係當地嘅時間晚上10:46。預報天氣良好，氣温為攝氏嘅17度。另外，免稅商品嘅銷售服務即將結束，有興趣購買嘅乘客與乘務員聯絡。航機即將降落，洗手間會暫停開放。如果你需要使用，請盡快前往。多謝各位留意。
各位旅客，复述刚才机长的广播，我们会在当地时间晚上11:35抵达香港。台北与香港没有时间的差别。现在为当地时间晚上10:46。预报天气有云，气温为摄氏17度。此外，免税商品销售服务即将结束，有兴趣购买的旅客请联络乘务员。航机即将降落，洗手间将会暂停开放。如果您需要使用，请尽快前往。谢谢您的留意。
Cabin crew prepare cabin for landing.
Cabin crew, please carry out pre-landing checks. 各位乘客，航機現正開始降落，請各位暫停使用洗手間，返回座位，將椅背拉直，接台、杯架收起及扶手放下，並扣上安全帶。個人電子用品必須妥善存放。多謝各位合作。Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending. Please return to your seat and ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, armrest down, table, cup holder is stowed, and seat back is upright. Please refrain from using the lavatory. Personal electronic devices must be properly secured. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cabin crew, please be seated for landing.
各位乘客，歡迎嚟臨香港香港國際機場。依家係當地嘅時間晚上11:25，氣温係攝氏嘅17度。為咗大家嘅安全，請繼續留喺座位，直到安全帶燈號熄滅。所有無線傳送設備請繼續保持關機，直至機艙門打開。請小心打開上方行李櫃，以免物件跌下。離開機艙嘅時候，請記得帶齊所有嘅隨身行李物品，並小心梯級。如果需要任何協助，請聯絡地勤人員。我哋再次感謝各位以及金鵬俱樂部會員乘搭香港航空以及長榮航空嘅代碼共享航班。希望好快會有機會為各位服務。我哋下次旅途再見，多謝。 Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong International Airport. The local time is 11:26 in the evening and the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please ensure all radios and transmitters remain switched off until the aircraft door is open. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment as items inside may fall out. Please ensure that you have all your belongings with you and watch out for the steps when leaving the aircraft. If you need any assistance, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of the entire crew, we would like to thank all of you and our Fortune Wing Club members for choosing Hong Kong Airline and our joint service with EVA Airway. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
各位旅客，欢迎抵达香港国际机场，现在是当地时间晚上11点27分，气温为摄氏17度。为了您的安全，请继续留在座位，直到安全带灯号熄灭。所有无线传送设备请继续保持关机，直至机舱门打开。稍后请小心打开上方行李柜，以免物品滑落。离开机舱时，请不要忘记随身行李，并小心台阶。如果需要任何协助，请联络地勤人员。感谢您以及金鹏俱乐部会员搭乘香港航空以及长荣航空代码共享航班，并希望很快能再度为您服务。我们下次旅途再见，谢谢。
Cabin crew, please disarm your door for arrival and cross-check.